Snack time! Time for Rumi's special ramen.
Nom, 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 nom.
She puts a little bit of herself in this recipe. Derpy here is the special ingredient. Not for the soup, but our special spinning wheel. See?
Oh.
Everything's coming up derpy these days. But you'd also make a pretty cool Mira. Of course, the best prizes are surprises. You hit the jackpot. Just look at that haul. Our first mystery box is all about our favorite fuzzy friend. Complete with a derpy of your very own. And look, he comes with his own toy too. He's gonna sleep good tonight. Meanwhile, let's play with these other derpy toys. Looks like a car and a matching pump. And a balloon. It's time to fill her up. When it comes to balloons, go big or go home. Because the bigger they are, the farther they go. Of course, some derpies like to stay grounded. Still, we should help them come out of their shell. After all, it's a big world out there with some big slides. You know the best part of getting down? It's getting to start up all over again. Of course, things are always more fun together. Yeah, they do everything together. Next up, it's Rumi's special box. Can you dig it? Is that a coffin? Good thing the demon hunters are here. In fact, one might be closer than you think. It's Rumi. Sure, we all have skeletons deep down. But maybe we should help Rumi feel more like her old self. Why don't we start with a nice bubble bath? Add glitter. It's the answer to everything. Now, what did I tell you? Rumi's back in action.
Yeah.
Of course, Rumi's got to need her sword. And look, it comes with a cool spinning top. Comes in handy when dealing with those Saja boys. Like right now. Talk about right around the corner. That's a 3-in-1 strike, but we can still use some help.
Yeah.
Like our special clay derpy. He's not made of clay. Then again, you are what you eat. You know, besides, it gives him a long, shiny new coat. Why don't we braid it? He likes Rumi's style. Looking good, derpy, but you could use one thing. Glitter! Knew buying it in bulk was a good idea. And why don't we give you a trim while you're here? Next up, it's time to check Zoey's box. And we even got her special snacks. A twist on ramen. A bit on the sweet side. Bring out the chopsticks, and Derpy's here to help. Even if you're a pro, he's still good company. You want a gummy burger to go on top? No, but there's already a special ingredient. It's a special huntrix game book. Come on, Mira. Help Rumi and Zoey enjoy snack time too. Gimbap. You just can't stop at one. Here, Zoey, make sure you chew. All gone. Now Mira's earned a little treat for herself. Candy's dandy, but noting tops ramen. We have a special guest. It's Susie. Ooh, a golden egg. Let's get cracking. Let's hope she likes sunny side up. Well, it looks like the yolk's on you. Don't worry, there's more where that came from. You know, it's fun to play with your food. But it's much more fun just to eat it. Aw, you're a regular golden goose. Mira, this box has got your name on it. Or face, rather.
Huh?
Well, a girl's gotta accessorize. Especially when it comes with bubbles. Use your other hand to get popping. It's a fairy with great hair, I might add. And it looks like she's going places. High places. She's sparkling like a diamond in the sky. This box is full of surprises. It's a disc. Let's take it for a spin. Besides, it's got a few surprises. So who says you can't reinvent the wheel? Looks like our final box is about the Saja boys. It's cute, in a grim sort of way, as in rebirth. I think he wants a tip. Add to the plate. He's a bank. He spirits your money away to safe places.
Wow!
And by safe place, I mean his stomach. But I think he'd prefer something spicy. Now that's more like it. He's on fire. Careful, or he'll end up with no face. But would that really be so bad? After all, there's a few spares in the box. And they're just so jiggly. Pretty stretchy, too. Granted, they're not much for looks. Seriously, a breakout would be an improvement. Especially because it means it's popping time. We've earned a treat, a Saja Boys burger. Would you like fries with that, or ramen? Either way, a little nibble shouldn't hurt. Uh-oh, there's some unintended side effects. Looks like Abby's got some new competition.